Hey guys, this is Luke from Billings Plan Room. I wanted to show you a quick feature called Internal Notes that allows you to keep notes on your projects for you and others inside your organization. No one outside your company, no users outside your company will have access to these notes. To leave a note, all you got to do is find the project that you need to leave a note about. Under the Project Actions box, you can click on Add Note and type your note here. Once you got your note, click Add Note. And now that note is added to this project. It tells you who it was added by and on what date. So if you need to leave a note for yourself when you come back to the project or a note for other users in your organization, everyone inside your company will have access to those notes, but no one outside your company will have access to those notes. These notes cannot be deleted. They can be edited, but they are really like a log. So they cannot be removed, but you can definitely edit them and you can add to them from here. Once you're on the grid, it's easy to see which projects have notes on them. They have the word notes in the note column. So when you're going down the notes, you can click on that. You can see what the note says, who left the note. You can review all the notes in one place. So it makes it super handy. I really love the feature. I think it's a great way for you to be able to track your projects and make sure everyone in the organization is on the same page. That's all for now from billingsplanroom.com. This is Luke.